Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to edit the header section design in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account, then go to websites, and next to the website you want to edit the header on, click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and first thing I will start with you is that you can create a sticky bar on top of your header section. I will do it quickly because this is not the main purpose. So I will go with free shipping on all orders over $50. Then I will select the section again, click on edit section. Then I will pick a color like this yellow color, for example. Let's make it a little bit whiter like this. You can even add a link to this text by clicking on this link, and you can edit the text size using this bar. Now let's preview this. Now let's jump to the main topic of this video, which is edit the header. The first thing to edit your header first, simply select it with your mouse, then click on edit header. The first thing you can edit is making this header sticky or not while scrolling down on your website. Let's make it sticky and look at it later. You can even you can edit the element spacing, but since we have only one element, which is those three links, later I will show you how to the first thing you can edit on the header is making the header sticky or not. A sticky means when you scroll down on your website, this white header will stick to the top of the page or not. After that, you can edit the element spacing, but since we have one element, which is those 4 pages, we can't see the difference, but I will show it later in a minute. Later or next after this, you can edit the link or the spacing between links of your menu. You can also edit the top and the bottom spacing. You can edit the placement or the order of your header elements, for example the logo in the middle like that. After that, let's jump to the elements tab where you can show or hide your logo. Same thing for those social icons. Let's show them, and a big button like this one. After even you can show or hide the shopping cart or not. I will show all of those elements in this video. After that, you can from the logo tab, you can select between going with an image logo or simply a simple text that you can add here, your logo. You can edit the text logo color from here, the text font. Let's go with this bold one, and you can edit your logo font size for using this slider. If you go with the image option, here you can see by default, or I already used this, I already created this logo, but let me show you how I created this logo only using Hostinger website builder. Click on use AI to create a unique logo, and make sure you are in the create yourself and not create with AI. After that, fill in your logo text here. For example, let's go with dotcom builders. From here, or before that, you can add your slogan here. I will go with, or let's go your slogan here, or let's go without a slogan. Before this, you can pick your logo color from here using this tool. I will keep it black. From this list or this very long list of fonts, you can select fonts for your logo, or go with those recommended fonts from this list. As you see, as I click on the recommended font, I can preview it here. Those are all beautiful fonts. I'm looking for let's go with this dotcom builders. This is a crime stories type font. Let's go with this narrow. I think my recommended ones or the fonts I like are on the top. Let's go with this one to not lose time. Click on download. As you see, a compressed file is downloaded to your computer. Click on it to decompress it. And now go back to the website editor, click on replace image and click on upload files. Locate the downloaded file on your computer. This is the logo, double click it. It will be uploaded to Hostinger website builder. After that, click on select. And as you see, this is my new logo, which I can edit its size using this slider. Now click on, or let's jump to the shopping bag title, page or tab. Here you can add a little, let's call it cart. You can edit the shopping bag icon, size, and after that you can edit the style of the header. For example, you can edit the header background color. Let's keep it white. You can even make it transparent this way. You can edit the text font size. You can even upload ones from your computer. Let's go with this bold one. As you see now, the navigation menu items text are edited. Let's go with this medium Ubuntu. Or when you want to go back or undo an action, simply click on this little arrow. My bad. Everything is deleted. Now let's go from scratch. Go to the elements. I will show all elements. For the logo, I will go with the last one. And now I think, yes, we can continue. Now from the style tab, select the button, and now you can edit this button text. For example, join my newsletter, for example. You can link to a page on your website or to an external page. You can edit this button fill color. For example, let's go with this gray one. You can edit the text color, for example, white. Let's go with this white. You can edit the button size. You can add borders or border width to your button, and you can edit the button border design or corner design from here. You can pick another color for just or unique to the border. Now close this window. I think now let's see how to edit the navigation menu. For this navigation menu, you can edit it from this page section. As you see, now it starts with home. Let's say I want to start with shop. Simply click on pages, drag and move the navigation menu first in the list, and now shop is the first one. You can unhide, or you can hide. Let's say I want to hide this contact link from here. Simply drag and move it below hidden from navigation, and now the contact page is deleted only from here, but it still exists on your website. Now let's see this new header section live. So click on update. Now that my website is updated, let's view it live. And this is the sticky bar. As you see, as I scroll down, the header section is sticky to the top. Those are the new navigation items, the logo, the social icons, the cart icon, and also the big button in the header. And this is how to edit the header design in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.